Hi guys, it's all about the golden age.
We're talking about music, we're talking about film, everything that comprises with the art. And before we start the program, we would like to have a music performance from one of our very own, Kwesi Boto. If you're here, please give it up for Kwesi Boto.
Banking out Monty, short. They say short too. Where's short?
Thank you. So please give it up for him again. And that was really also for you. Also, Bank Napo. Like I said tonight, we have lots of dignitaries in the building. And one person that I'm really excited to see is our French ambassador, our very own. Our very, oh, please give it up for him. Our very own. The French ambassador to Ghana. Annie Akosia Abu. She's here. And she's doing tremendously in our creative art industry. We couldn't have anyone better. God bless you. You are just amazing. God bless you so much. And currently she's helping with the gumbo to put things together so that we can have a better system for the musicians. God bless you so much. God bless you. Like I said, we have lots of dignitaries in the building. We have Arnold Asama Baby. Arnold, if you're here. He's also an entertainment creative.
Something small about Golden Age Creative Arts Awards. So Golden Age Creative Arts Awards is a duly registered prestigious award scheme in Ghana, produced annually by Dolphin House Production. The award ceremony is normally held during the Ghana Month of Fashion and Arts. Our vision is to renew spirits of the arts, to project a tourism-relevant and vibrant Ghanaian art industry by championing and celebrating excellence. The goal is to inspire excellence and improve standards among industry leaders towards realizing fully potentials of the arts industry. Golden Age Awards are based on merits. Our structure and process work is to ensure that we recognize parties based on their dedication to excellence in the arts industry and the quality of their contribution to the growth of the industry. To move successfully from nominee to honoree, our faculty assesses evidence of extensive expertise and skills and years of dedication to excellence in the arts industry with an ongoing commitment to innovation. The Golden Age Creative Arts Awards has a faculty in which we have Abeku Agri Santana, who is our chairman. We have Mr. Joseph Saki Anand, who is our vice chairman. We have Mr. Arnold Asama Beidu, who is a member. And we have Jane Bachman O, who is also a member. And we have George Clifford, who is a member. We have Amiel Deborah, who is also a member. The Dolphin House team consists of Ellis Dennis, who is the CEO of Dolphin House. And we have Mr. Freeman WK, who is the head of events. And we have AC Enisa, who is the secretary. And we have Rosé also, who helps in planning of the Golden Age Awards. Thank you very much.
Madam MC, when I'm going, I'll take your dress away. All right, so this is my first single, and it just came about after my kidney transplant. I've been battling with chronic kidney disease for the past 15 years, and to the glory of God, I had a kidney transplant on December 2019. So whilst recuperating, the words came along and I spoke to my engineer and then we turned it into a song. So this is just my first single, and thank you so much for allowing me to perform tonight for our audience.
I wanna give it all to the Lord, for His kindness and goodness.
I just wanna give you the glory. You got no worries.
4 categories, and we'd like to call Arnold as our baby to help us. Please give it up for him to help us present the award.
Hi guys, it's all about the Golden Age Creative Arts Award, and we have our mom here, Mrs. Patience Mensah, with us, and we're having to have an interview with her. Mommy, welcome.
Thank you, my daughter.
How is everything?
By grace, we are doing very well.
I can see you are like blushing.
Thank you. You're also looking good.
Okay, mommy, what brought you here?
I thank the Most High God for giving us life today. I am here because of my daughter, my sister, my friend Mame and Gege, the Broskoto. I am standing in, I'm representing her, and I'm taking her award on her behalf. So as you can see, we are all excited to be
You're
here.
representing for Mami Ngege.
Yes, in the building. Yes.
in the building.
As the digital media personality of the year. Yeah.
Mommy, so how what was your expectation for this program?
I expect her to win, and I foresee her winning more and then greater awards in future. Yeah.
The young people out there, they have these things in them that they only wanted to do. What advice are you going to give to them, or the motivation are you going to give to them so that they can push harder and also get to this top level?
Seriously, I am overwhelmed of what Mame Ngege Broskoto is doing, using her mobile phone. Today we have got a lot of mobile phones with us, but then what are we using the mobile phones for? She uses her mobile phone, to touch lives, to transform lives, and then to create awareness of what is going on in Ghana and all over the world. So I would advise the youth out there to also do same. Work hard and try to, go higher, for the sky is their limit.
Mommy, you talking about the social media, using their phone. People use their phone with insults and stuff. What advice are you going to give to them also?
I would tell them that they are not going to gain anything with that. Okay, so they should use it and use it wisely. Okay, to fetch them something, earn income with it, than to use it for insults and all other things. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Guys, as we are speaking to our mom, she also gave advice to the young people over there. We'll continue with our interview.
And most of the things he writes are very controversial.
Are you sure?
No, that's what people say. So, are you controversial?
I'm not.
You're not. You just say what it is, or you write what.
I write what pertains in the industry.
Okay.
I write about personalities.
Okay, but a lot of people think you attack Shatawale so much.
Oh no, I don't.
You don't?
No, why would I attack Shatta? I mean, Shatta is a big guy. He's one of the biggest in the industry. So, he generates conversation. He generates the news. And so once I'm a newsmaker, clearly
You
I'll
need to
have to write
him.
about him and talk about him as
Okay,
well.
but how do you think his craft has fared so far?
Chattawale.
Yes.
So far, so good. Like I said, he is arguably the biggest artist in Ghana.
Sure.
And so we need to give him credit for
And our industry so far, music industry, how is it?
We've
On a
come-
scale of 1 to 10,
we've done well. I mean, considering where we came from and where we are going, I think we've done well.
we've done so
Yeah.
well. Okay. But one thing that really struck me, please, I'm so sorry, is when TikTok came on UTV and said something and he didn't say anything.
What did he
But
say?
then people are saying that if it was Shatawale, he would have done
What
something.
did TikTok say?
What did you say? You were on the show.
But he didn't say anything.
Tell us. Okay.
He didn't say anything wrong.
He didn't say anything. Okay, then. It's fine. So we're starting with our categories. Our first category has to do with the best new artist of the year. Best new artist of the year. And the winner is Mami Esirifi. Mami Esirifi, if you're here. Is the winner for best new artist of the year. Mame Esiri.
Hi, please, my name is Sophie.
A Sylvie.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
My full name is Mamisi Sophie.
Mamesi a Sylvie.
Yes.
And you're so beautiful.
You're beautiful too. Thank you. I would like to say a big thank you to God, first of all. A very big thank you to Golden Age Creative Arts Award for this. For my first, this is actually my very first award, so I'm pretty excited about it. I'm so happy and I'm glad. And I'd also like to say a big thank you to my mom. She's standing behind me somewhere. I would also like to say thank you to everybody on my team making it work. They are also behind me, the women, strong women behind me. And I would also like to thank all my fans and supporters and friends for making this work. I see, well, again, a big thank you to all of you too for showing up.
Sweet girl, welcome to Too Much GH.
Thank you so much.
Oh, beautiful melanin, you know.
Thank you.
That is the true
Also beautiful.
definition of a black woman.
I'm glad.
I can see an award. What
Yeah.
category is that?
I won Best New Artist of the Year. Yes,
Wow.
please.
So how was the feeling when you were upstage to take the award?
I felt great. I felt amazing that all the effort I've been putting in has been borne fruit. So I'm so happy about that.
Being the young artist, can you give us some acapella for everybody to hear your voice? I mean, we want to know the reason why you have this acapella.
Okay, I'll give an acapella. Crocrome, crocrome, no biamba fa, oh crocrome, no biamba fa, oh.
I'm so much excited to listen up. So what should the world listen or what should the world wait to hear from you? Are you bringing out something new? Are you challenging the old artists? What are you expecting or what should we expect from you?
So personally, I believe in taking the old and making it new. So I'm bringing that back.
Bringing this conversation to an end, what are you telling your fans, viewers out there? What should we expect from you?
Expect great and amazing things. Keep supporting me. I am a young legend.
Thank you so much for your time. God bless you too.
So our next category is Emerging Business of the Year. Emerging Business of the Year. And the winner is Shelly Amina Del. Shadel Deco.
Alright, thank you. I want to say a very big thank you to God for this gift and also to the amazing team that I have, especially my husband, my kids, my friends, and also to all those who trust in my craft. I am super grateful, and I'm saying this is to everybody out there supporting Shidel Deco Palace. Thank you.
Princess Patianko, TV Personality of the Year.
I want to say that was unexpected, but I know how much love my family, friends, and supporters pour into everything I do. So there was no doubt in my mind that they were going to go all out to support me on this day. Distinguished guests, ladies, gentlemen, and all gathered here today, I would like to begin by thanking God and the universe for all the many experiences that have led me here to this moment today. Special thanks to everyone behind the Golden Age Creative Arts Awards for giving me and honoring me with the nomination and giving the space and opportunity for my family and friends to be able to support me in this wonderful way through the voting process. Thank you to my family and friends, to my dear Uncle Shay, my beautiful Tanti Consolata, my Uncle McKelly, to Adriano, Buki, and Sylvia who are here with me today. As an actor and as a TV personality, I understand the importance of art in our community. And award schemes such as this one, who set themselves apart to award artists of all genres and of all kinds, are dear to my heart. Mainly because art has this incredible ability to show us and teach us our past, reflect and hold a mirror up to our present, and give us a glimpse into our future. But not just any future, the true future, the one that we might not expect. Because as Aristotle said it best, art, the aim of art, rather, is to represent the outward appearance of things, but rather their inward significance. And so all of us artists here today, I hope that as we create, as we go off into this world, we create art that does not just represent what we think we know, what the world wants to see, but what the world needs to know, and a reflection of our true selves and our souls. So thank you again to the Golden Age Creator Arts Awards, and I'm so grateful for this, and I won't stop making you proud. Thank you.
Sweetheart, your name?
My name is Princess Fathia Nkrumah.
Princess Fathia Nkrumah.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in any related to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah?
I am, yes. He's my paternal grandfather. So,
Wow.
yes, he's my father's father.
Father's father. Then definitely he's your father, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
grandpa, father.
Grandpa, father.
Wow.
He's all of our father, really.
Sure. Yeah. You know, today is a very great day for him.
It
too,
is,
so
it is.
You can imagine.
Yes.
Hey, it's getting all over you.
Oh, thank
See?
you.
All right. I can see an award with you. What
Yes.
category is this?
I won the TV Personality of the Year award,
Wow.
which I'm very grateful for.
Indeed, you fit into that position.
thank you,
Wow,
thank
wow.
you.
So, what should we look out for?
Well, currently I'm on the Aquaba Magic TV show Dede, where I play Dr. Mansa Raindorf, now Dr. Mansa Raindorf Robertson.
Wow.
So that's what I'm working on at the moment. And in September, I'll be premiering a new movie with Lisa Ray McCoy, Sika Say, Bradley Evans. It's going to be a multinational project with actors from the US, a few actors from Nigeria like Osas, and a few Ghanaians like Sika and Mauli Gavo and myself. So I'm very excited. It's called Single Not Searching.
Wow.
Yes.
Single not searching.
Yes,
We
so
can't
look out
wait.
for that soon.
See? All right. We'll be very glad for
Thank you.
So as we are bringing this conversation on the platform, what are you telling your fans out there? People are watching you. They'll be like, hey, this one is beautiful. Can we get closer to her? So give us a final word.
I mean, as far as getting close to me, you can follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram at Princess Nkrumah. I'm on Twitter at Fathia Nkrumah. Pretty easy to find. But as far as what I'd like to tell my supporters and my well-wishers, first of all, thank you so much for all of your goodwill and support. I literally could not have won this award without all of the support and all of the votes that came in for me. And I'm going to do my best to not only make you proud and put Ghana on the map, but also ensure that I continue to pour my heart into art, because usually when the world is going through any crisis, we turn to the arts for comfort and for entertainment. So I understand how vital the arts are for the world, and I'll continue to contribute to it in the best way I can and set a precedent for the future generations to be able to do so as well.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Like I said, we have one person that the creative arts really cherishes. We really adore her. She is just amazing. We couldn't have had anyone better to help us, because we really needed help. We'd like to have something little from her. We just want her to say something to us. Tell us why Ghana? Why she decided to help us? Because it's really dear to our hearts. Our creative arts is really dear to our hearts. But they want to just come and say, I want to help Ghana. I want to help the music industry. This is something that is really commendable. So we really thank her so much. Miss Anne, our French ambassador, please can you come?
So, good evening, everyone. As you said, I'm the French ambassador to Ghana. And the role of an ambassador is to create bridges, links between the country we represent and the country we are posted. I confess I didn't choose Ghana. I happened to be posted here, but I was very excited when they offered me to be an ambassador to Ghana, because the things I had heard about Ghana were only good things. Actually, we haven't heard much about Ghana, because as you know, the press in France likes to report crises, wars, poverty, hunger, things that will make us feel sorry for Africa. But when it comes to Ghana, you only have good things to tell. And elections go well, there's no crisis, there's no fight, there's no mass killing. So I was very excited to come to Ghana. I have, of course, been working like every diplomat in trying to tighten the links between France and Ghana in every area: agriculture, SMEs, banking, culture. And suddenly I realized that there was an area that was an amazing way of linking the people, and that is music. So I connected some French singers with Ghanaian singers. They did featurings, they produced together songs, I think 11 altogether. And it was so amazing what they did, this mixture of French and Ghanaian. You call it Ghanaian music, I call it international standard music made in Ghana. And the French touch. And we said, okay, let's do a concert. So we did the first concert here, Paris, in Accra, in November 2021. And we had Famille, Becca, Kwabna Kwabna. Yeah, I was keeping that for the last. Stone Boy and Sarkodie. Have I forgotten someone? Famille, Kwabna Kwabna, Gasmila and Gasmila. So all 6 of them performed with Passy. Passy is a huge, huge artist in France. He is the one who introduced rap in France and created the French rap. And Ortiz, who is a new artist of Passy's and who sings in Pidgin. He's French, but he sings in Pidgin and in many African languages. So we connected them. And then we took them all to France and did an Accra in Paris. In one of the most prestigious venues in Paris, which is l'Élysée-Montmartre. And it was a blast, it was amazing. It was the first time we had so many Ghanaian artists in France. And it was actually showing something about Ghana. Investors, French investors, looking at investing in Ghana, when they see these artists, it tells them the kind of quality production that people are capable of doing, the kind of creativity, the kind of energy that you can find. These guys are ambassadors of Ghana to the world. So I've been using them to show to France what Ghana is capable of doing, and to seduce the French, to talk to their people's hearts, to get them also to have fans in France, which obviously they already have. And when I see them now going all over the world, performing and showing with the flag of Ghana, they are the best ambassadors of Ghana to the world. So I thought it only made sense that because they were doing that job and that they were doing something for Ghana, that I would do something for them.
Okay. And today, which is the 4th of August, is the end of your term, huh?
Not the 4th. I'll be leaving on the 29th of
29th
August. Yes.
Of August.
Yes.
So have you ended, or you're still?
I'm still an ambassador.
Okay. Okay, because I had the interview with you at the Just Ended region.
I said I was,
yes.
Everyone wants to bury me alive, but no, I'm leaving end of August.
No, we're not burying you alive.
I intend to make the most of my time until the very last day. I will be working and I will be doing my best to carry on. And yes, we have launched a program to support Gamero, because it's important that artists can make money not only from performing, from selling their tracks on the digital platforms, because that's how now the market is, but also through their authors' rights. Because creation is an intellectual property.
Sure.
So when we listen to music, when we buy a record and we listen to music at home, it's fine because we bought the record for our personal use. But if we use that record in a lounge or in a bar or in a nightclub to add value to our business, then we need to pay some fees.
Like what we're doing, the DJ, we
Like,
need to pay.
like because we are enjoying some music and it adds value to the evening to have music, then you should have some author's rights to be paid so that the artists that we are enjoying the music of, then they also get something. So that's what Gamro is supposed to collect.
So far, how is it?
Well, we've only just started, and I don't want to get into technicalities, but the way SACEM, which is the equivalent in France, has been working, SACEM has been operating for 170 years. So they were created in 1851. So they've had time to educate people about what author's rights is and how it should actually be paid. They have had time to create some tools to be able to scan radios, televisions, and all the places where music is being played, so that they had a clear track record of which music is being played, how long, where, who needs to pay, and then who needs to pay. So they have the tools, they have the habit, and so I thought maybe connecting them with Gamro will help get your artists get the fair share of what they deserve. What's going to happen if it doesn't work that way is they're going to sign labels overseas. They're going to perform and play overseas, and whatever they're doing in Ghana, they will not get any money for. So you're going to lose them. So you need to have a strong industry here, otherwise all your geniuses, because I think you can call them, they will leave.
You're doing so amazing. Thank you so much. God bless you. We really appreciate you. If nobody can be, I appreciate you. I really appreciate you. God bless you so. Please give it up for Akosia. Thank you. God bless you so much.
And I must say that it is not easy for people to open their homes for suction. She opened her home for deliberations on Ghana's creative art industry. Show some love for her. And also, she also, together with her team, did Accra in Paris, a program which was to sell Ghana's creative art in her home country. And interestingly, I mean, when most people go for such shows in other countries, it's not easy for them to get on mainstream media. But she was able to put them on France 24. If you know France 24, I mean, France is a very huge channel in Europe. She put them on. I mean, this is the kind of love, I mean, she's been, showing to Ghana. Big love. Honorable. Congratulations to you. That's right.
Congratulations to you, Annie Akosia.
You've heard me a lot already, haven't you? Thank you very much. You're right to support your creative industry. They are amazing. You have amazing artists, and I appreciate the fact that here you also support and recognize the people behind the scenes, the sound engineers, because the creative industry is not only about the person who is singing, it's the person who is doing the beats, the person who are writing the lyrics, the people who are putting things together. And then when people want to perform, the people who are behind the scenes, organizing the festivals, organizing the concerts, I've done that, yes, once. Accra in Paris and Paris in Accra. Believe you me, never again. Never again. It's a full-time job. But I'm happy we did it. But I know it's a real job. And the creative industry is all those people who are behind the scenes and not only the ones whose face are on the billboards. So thank you for supporting them. Thank you to Ghana for supporting and loving your artists so much and giving them the strength and the creativity to shine to the world. And I am pretty sure that Ghana is going to go all over, and I will be back to Ghana very often. You're going to see more of me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Digital Media Personality of the Year. And the winner is Mame Ngege. The woman can talk. Oh, wow. Mame Ngege. I feel like I think I'll get you. Congratulations.
to everyone. In fact, I am short of words. My name is Reverend Mrs. Patience Mensah. Mami Ngege Bruskoto is my daughter in the Lord. She is a sister and a good friend of mine. She is my vice. Ghana ni Ghana. She is my vice and I am the president. So on behalf of her, I'm receiving this award. And thank you so much. Golden Age Creative Awards. Thank you everyone who supported Mami Ngege to make the winner. Thank you all. God bless you.
Congratulations to you. And to your member champion,
Reverend Patience, you welcome to Too Much.
Thank you, my daughter.
How was the feeling when you were called up on stage to take the award?
I was so excited because I wasn't expecting it. But then I believe in my daughter, I believe in my sister, I believe in my friend that she has done a great job so far and proven to all Ghanaians and the world that she deserves it. We love her so much. We are proud of her, Mami Ngege. Yeah.
Since you were not the one, are you trying to participate in the third edition of the Golden Age Creative Awards?
Yeah, we hope for the best. Yes.
Daddy, you're welcome to Too Much.
Thank you so much, lady.
Oh, Daddy, what's your name?
I'm Benjamin Ansa.
Benjamin Ansa. All right, very nice. Then who are you here to support?
We came to support Mami Ngege Bruskoto.
Wow.
You know, she's doing so well on the social media. Yeah, so today has been a very good day for her to receive this golden award. So we need to come and support her in all our support. Yeah.
Okay, then thank you so much for doing that. So when you came here, what was the feeling? When you guys were called up on stage to take the award, I saw you smiling and taking pictures all over. How was the feeling?
It was so amazing. You could see the media personalities here, the French ambassador to Ghana, and so many other big dignitaries here. It's so amazing. I mean, everything is cool, yeah.
So you know you're very excited. Wow.
Oh, sure, yeah,
Sure. Viewers, we are moving in, so when we get a different person, we will come here and then introduce and interview the person to you. Stay tuned. Almost there. Now see I there.
Esu.
Unbreakable.
Only God can stop me.
I say, na you know ba. Na ye bu di na eni Jesu bi na say enti mu ni dedepi no say na osifa.
Oh, me feel say nyame aye because e do baby a nipa de abembuo ni ade wo ho ba. Oba bontin say then how our fans be receive you no. E ma who say yes, nyame gusu ye na ejuma. So I'm very happy.
We are role model to others. Me say, make us no. Almost there. Come back, come on.
Ghana for almost there.
Almost there. I was for there's lesson. I mean, no, I can say, and then no, you made your best. So, while Baba Yenshra, Edia Maya, Paya, try and ask an emum, award them so many citations. I would what their waje, Fana, and Nunti, and your opinion. No, Nana Miss Shra, no, so near to train and Comosa. Other part, Fabrice
2023, I'm a cast body. I say then they were my person what they break enough.
That's it. Me release Odokese just 2 weeks now. But and you may fly over TikToker and a popular song to whole TikTok. No Ghana had here. You might done #1. Hey, Odokese Joyce blessing. So I'm premiering the video. Or China me advance me premiere video. I will be YouTube channel first. It's message my drop phone able to your phone. I say one subscribe to my YouTube channel Joyce blessing. Be the first person to watch this video and share. Nenya me enko so intro.
Before now so my capella ba so say it's so Joyce this side mobile because maybe it's you but answer na me the other about it because so mama who the other about.
Odokese na udomie. Hey, Odamorso. Odo idea extra large dog. Yes, do hey, fantastic. Now what's the name?
I would say like that.
I was so SW.